In the next few minutes, I'm going to turn a single sentence into this cinematic short drama, then transform it into a reusable asset that can generate income every time another creator uses it. No ads or chasing viral views here. Most make money with AI video tutorials stop the moment you hit export. What they don't show you is what happens after. How a single AI generated video can become a reusable asset that keeps working for you every time another creator uses it. And that's the difference. The traditional model is simple: upload a video, chase views, and hope the ad revenue adds up. On short form platforms, that often means earning just pennies per 1,000 views, then starting all over again with your next upload. This is a completely different model. In this video, I'm going to build one from scratch. Then at the end, I'll show you exactly how the monetization works and how creators are turning a single AI video into an asset with long-term earning potential. Let's get started. The first step is creating your visual style. Inside MagicLight, under Asset Store, click Visual Style to create a new style and upload your reference images. You can upload anywhere from 2 to 10 images. I'm using 3. These are frames I've captured from a film whose look and cinematography I want to recreate. Next, you'll define the style. I already have a style description prepared, so I'll paste it in. It includes details like the camera used, lighting, color palette, and overall cinematic look. If you don't have a style definition ready, don't worry. Just describe the look you're after and click Generate Aesthetic. MagicLight expands your description into a much more detailed visual style for you. Once that's done, click Next to move to the testing stage. This is where MagicLight generates a few sample images to verify that your style definition produces the look you're aiming for. You simply wait for the test to finish. This is one of my favorite parts of the workflow. Instead of hoping your prompt works, MagicLight validates the visual language before you commit. It gives you a chance to catch problems early, so you're not wasting time generating an entire project with a style that isn't quite right. When you're happy with the results, publish the style, give it a name, add a description, and click Publish. Remember this step, because this publish visual style isn't just something you'll reuse in future projects. It's also one of the assets that can generate earnings when other creators use it. I'll show you exactly how that works later in the video. Step 2 is creating the short drama. I'm using the short drama video option because I want the characters to speak naturally throughout the story. There are 2 ways to get started. You can either paste in a complete script or simply describe your idea. I'm using the second option and pasting a concept for a cinematic short drama called Inheritance about a young woman. Next, choose your generation settings, select the video duration, pick the AI model you want to use, and choose a visual style. Since I'm aiming for a realistic, cinematic look, I'll use the realistic visual style. At this point, MagicLight generates the entire cast for the story. Pay attention to the lead character because she's the one I'll be publishing as a reusable asset later. Keep her in mind. We'll come back to her when it's time to talk about monetization. Click Next and it generates the storyboard. Once the whole storyboard is done, you can edit each shot, things like the pose, the clothing, and other details, so there are plenty of options here to fix any image before you move on. This is worth slowing down on because a minute of fixing a shot here saves you re-rendering the whole thing later. When you're happy, click Next and you can animate all the images. Then you just wait for it to animate, and while that runs, notice what's happening. It's turning every still into a moving shot, keeping the same character and the same style across all of them. And look, same character, scene to scene. That consistency across shots is the thing most AI tools can't hold, and is what makes a real short drama possible. Once the animation is finished, you can export the video and publish it to any platform you like. Here's the completed short drama from beginning to end. Aside from a few minor edits, this is exactly what MagicLight generated. Just a few minutes ago, it was nothing more than a single idea. Now it's a finished cinematic story ready to share.
Don't get comfortable. You aren't real blood.
To my niece alone, I leave everything.
Impossible! He was Senel! We'll sue!
He knew you were all just vultures.
You won't get a penny, you little thief!
It's my house now. Everyone, Get out.
Okay, this is the part I promised at the beginning. Here's how the earning side works. Take a look at the assets other creators have published. Each one shows how many times it's been used, and that's the key metric. Every time another creator uses one of your public assets, whether it's a character, a visual style, or a skill that usage is tracked, and your earnings are reflected here. MagicLight also features a monthly top 20 leaderboard and reward challenges that creators can participate in. Now, I want to be completely transparent. I built and published these assets today, so they haven't earned anything yet. You're watching this start from zero, exactly the same way you would. There's no guaranteed income here. How much an asset earns depends entirely on how valuable it is and how often other creators choose to reuse it. But that's what makes this model interesting. A traditional video typically earns based on its own views. Once those views slow down, so does its earning potential. A reusable asset works differently. If creators continue using it in their own projects, it can continue generating value long after you originally published it. The goal is simple. Create something other creators genuinely want to use, publish it, and let it continue working in the background while you focus on building your next asset. Before I wrap up, let me give you the part that actually decides whether this works for you, because publishing an asset is easy, but getting people to reuse it is the whole game. A few things I've noticed. First, versatility wins. A character or a style that only fits one very specific story gets used once, but one that works across lots of scenes gets reused again and again. So build things that are flexible, not narrow. Second, quality of the reference matters more than quantity. A clean, consistent style is far more useful to other creators than a flashy one that's hard to work with. Third, lean into what's already in demand. Look at what's trending in short drama right now and create the kinds of characters and looks people are actively searching for and building around. And finally, don't stop at one. The creators earning the most aren't the ones with a single perfect asset. They're the ones who publish steadily and let a whole library work for them over time. Treat it like building a catalog, not making one video. So here's the takeaway. With MagicLight, you're not just creating videos, you're building reusable assets that other creators can use. If you're tired of the upload and hope cycle, this is a genuinely different way to approach AI video. Instead of relying only on views, you're creating characters, visual styles, and skills that can continue generating value whenever other creators choose to reuse them. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find my link and discount code in the description. They help support the channel. Here's my challenge for you. Run your first one-line prompt, publish your first asset, and enter the Creator Cup challenge. Then come back and tell me your short drama idea in the comments. I read everyone. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.